What is dropshipping? How do you get started? And what do you need to know? Find answers to all your questions in this video. Learn everything about dropshipping from A to Z in just 2 minutes. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you don't need to keep inventory. When you sell a product to a customer, the product is shipped directly from the supplier or manufacturer to the customer. You act as the middleman and earn a profit. The biggest advantage of dropshipping is that it requires low investment. You don't need to hold inventory, so there's no storage cost. Additionally, you can run this business from anywhere in the world. Dropshipping also comes with some challenges. For example, there's high competition, you don't have control over product quality, and shipping times can be longer. To start dropshipping, you first need to select a niche. Then, create an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix. Next, find a reliable supplier. You can use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket to find suppliers. Marketing is crucial for success in dropshipping. Use social media marketing, SEO, and influencer marketing to promote your products. To succeed in dropshipping, you need to be patient. Focus on consistent marketing, prioritize customer service, and stay ahead of the competition by following new products and trends. Dropshipping is an easy and low-risk way to start an online business. With the right plan and hard work, you can succeed in this business. Start your dropshipping journey today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos.